A warm welcome to my channel Impart and Imbibe. Thank you so much for all your motivation and inspiration, and I'm really overwhelmed by your response. So today I will be moving away from my regular lectures, which is on accountancy. I will be moving to marketing, something which is very close to my heart, and this subject has always been my favorite. So before moving on with the topic, I would like to talk about marketing. What is marketing? A general perception about marketing is it is an act of selling goods and services by the means of persuasion. Okay, but this is not marketing. This is sales, a part of marketing, a very small part of marketing, and very crucial part of marketing. Right now, uh, the ones who have studied marketing as a subject would define marketing uh, as a need creation activity, then producing goods to satisfy that need, then pricing that goods which consumers are ready to pay for, and also businesses making profit from the same, placing the goods to the consumer, to the target market, and also making sure that it is communicated to the target market. And they are persuaded to make that purchase. They are persuaded to know their needs and buy that need satisfying product. So here in this definition, there are 4 P's which we can find out. First P is product. We are making a product to satisfy the consumer needs. Second P is price. We are pricing, or we are setting a price for our product and making sure that customer will be ready to pay that price, and also business is making profit from that price setting. Then we are making sure that goods are available at the location from where customer will be easily able to buy that product. And finally we are communicating about the same through means of promotion, right? So there are 4 P's: product, price, place, and promotion. This is what the normal definition of marketing talks about. So it starts from need creation, and once the products are sold and consumers are happy with the product, okay, this is marketing. But marketing is much beyond that. It is not only one time activity. You don't want to sell your product only once. You want repeat purchases. There are competitions which are in the market, okay, who will be also producing the same product. Why will any consumer buy your product? Why not competitors product, right? There are n number of things happening in a business every now and then. So marketing is a weapon to fight these factors. So marketing exists forever in a business. Even if business dies, marketing exists. Why? Because you need to find some other business. So marketing never dies. It is the soul of business. Just like the soul of human body rises on death, similarly soul of business, which is marketing, rises when business ceases to stop. So marketing is a much wider term, much wider concept, and this 4 P's of marketing is even much more important. All marketing decisions somehow impact the 4 P's, and adjustments are required in these 4 P's in order to make sure that company makes profit and company is able to continue in the business. So I will be discussing about this 4 P's of marketing with context to the current pandemic situation which we are facing, COVID-19. So let's see about 4 P's of marketing. What is 4 P's of marketing? I told you it is product, price, place, and promotion. Here we go. It is soul of marketing. Now you see this 4 picture very clearly. Okay, what it is depicting. The first one, you can see a COVID-19 vaccine. You can also see product is written over there. In the second picture, you can see it is a fare chart of different airlines from Bombay to Patna on different dates. Okay. The third one is an empty restaurant. Fourth one is a promotion offer by some edtech company to buy IBPS subscription for rupees 425 only instead of paying rupees 3000. You can see 2999 is struck off. You can see platinum package rupees 425. These are the four pictures, or you can see these are the four pictures which is depicting product, price, place and promotion. Okay, we will discuss further about this. Now, what is marketing mix? I already told you the four elements or four ingredients of marketing mix are product, price, place, promotion. Target market is in center. Everything is designed keeping in view of target market. Okay. Now, product, you can associate functionality, brand, packaging, services with product. List price, discount, bundling, how you set the price, these things, keeping these things into consideration. Then promotion, advertising, sales force, publicity, sales promotion. So these are types of promotion, how you communicate about the goods. Then place, channel, inventory, logistics, distribution, how you make sure that you make goods available to the consumer at the right time and at the right place. This element deals with that place. So all these four P's are very important. They work closely also and they work independently also. Okay. Now, these are the four top stories, okay, in today's newspaper. Let me read it for you. A drug manufacturing company decides to invest 100 million in research and development of COVID-19 vaccine. Okay. Second one, there is sudden surge in airline ticket prices after the lockdown has been lifted and once they are allowed to resume domestic services. Third one, food and beverage industries are converting from sit and eat to takeaways form of distribution in the midst of COVID-19 crisis. Fourth one, EdTech companies are adding courses from varied field and giving hefty discounts to enroll maximum number of students. So these are the four top news or top news headlines I found in today's newspaper. Okay, so what is this? This is talking about product development, new product development. This is talking about the price of the air ticket. This is talking about the distribution system of food and beverage industry. And this is talking about the promotion to increase sales. Okay. Now, again, the previous picture you saw, the same picture. The first headline relates to this. Okay. Second headline relates to this. Third headline relates to place. And the fourth headline relates to promotion. Now what we see from the news headlines which I shared with you, we can find out the headlines are talking about four different industries. First one is talking about healthcare. Second one is talking about aviation. Third one is talking about food and beverage. And the fourth one is talking about edtech industries. Okay. There is one pandemic or one external factor in the news. That is, all these industries are talking about COVID-19 and their focus areas are also different. The four different focus areas are the 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place and promotion. This is what we conclude from the photograph, we conclude from the headlines, right? Now, what are the key takeaways? What we see the proportion of marketing mix ingredients for preparing better marketing strategies are dependent on industry we are operating in. Okay. Now the proportions of marketing mix. What we need to focus upon? Do we need to focus upon product at this moment? Do we need to focus upon price at this moment? Or do we need to focus upon place or promotion? It depends upon the industry we are operating in. Okay, because if we focus on one thing at a time, it will give us good result, better result. And it also depends upon industry. Like healthcare industry was focusing on product development because that is what they could find. They could convert the opportunities or the threats into opportunity. The threat of COVID-19 could be converted into opportunity by them by producing that COVID-19 vaccine. So they are engaging into new product development of vaccine. So these are the 4 key takeaways from it. We talked about different industry. So the proportion of marketing mix ingredients for preparing better marketing strategies are dependent on industries we are operating in. Now, same challenge can be converted into opportunity, I already talked about, by different industries focusing on one of the P's. If you're focusing on all 4 P's, it means you are allocating all your time and resources to all 4 P's, which is not a good option because we have limitation of resources, that is man, money, material, which we will talk in the next point. The allocation of resources to one of the P's at a time is what situation demands, and it yields better result. That's what these industry did, right? And 4 P's of marketing is essential forever in business. Why it is essential forever in the business? Whatever we were talking about, the news headline says that the all 4 P's are already in progress for these industry. You can see in the previous slide. There are various drug manufacturing company who have set of products which are offered to the consumer at a particular price. Distribution system is in place. They keep on promoting. This is happening, but this is already existing. Now, because of this COVID-19, they are again focusing on new product development. They are focusing on one of the P's of marketing mix, that is product. So it is an ongoing process. It is not that once it is established, we need not to focus on that. That is what I was talking about. Similarly, here also everything is fixed. The price is the component which is very flexible in aviation industry. You can see, if you travel, you can see the ticket prices, they keep on flexing. The product is okay, you don't change the product in this, you don't change the distribution system, you don't change the promotion very frequently, but this keeps on changing. So again, it is industry specific. This 4P is industry specific. Also, external environment will impact these 4Ps in different ways, and industry will take these 4Ps in different ways depending upon what the situation is, where they are operating and which industry they are operating, what is the competition, and all those things. EdTech companies are doing good in this situation, so they want to make more profit by giving hefty discount, because you people will buy more, because there are many who is sitting at home. They are not able to go out of home to take that classes, so they can easily sit at home and take that classes. And by giving discounts and adding courses, it will do, it will again add to company's profit. So this 4 P's are very important, and it will also depend upon the industry we are operating in and also the factor. Now, as we talked about COVID-19, there could be any factor, any external factor which can happen and which impacts these 4 P's of marketing. So 4 P's of marketing is essential forever in business. Marketing is the soul of business, I already talked about, and marketing mix is the soul of marketing, because all marketing decisions are based on this. This adjustment is required every now and then depending upon the internal and external factors. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. Hope you liked it, and I'm sure your perception about marketing would have changed a little, and it was really informative and interesting for you. Please share your feedback, and I hope दिमाग की बत्ती थोड़ी तो जली होगी marketing के बारे में. Thank you.